this house all day.
What has he done this time?
Papa, nothing. Now because the ordinary hungry. When I tell us I'm hungry, now you carry this stupid broom. They push me up and down.
No, you want to come and eat, Abby? Come and eat now. Okay, go and eat.
Olasi, take it easy, go eh? Take it easy with this little boy.
You see how you're giving this child long rope to do whatever he likes in this house? You see it?
Look, I am the head of this house. You cannot tell me not to be concerned with what happens under my roof. You are maltreating this boy because he is not your child. Stop it, it's not good. Ah.
Is that all you have to say? Eh? You see how you are spoiling this child? You're helping him get spoiled in this house. You see it?
Look, you have to recognize that this boy has no mother. Eh? You are treating your daughter very well, but you mistreat this boy because he is not your child. Eh? And I cannot allow you to continue to mistreat this child who has no mother. This is my house, and whatever I say stands.
And this is also my house. I have every right as well to treat every child that is growing under me the way I so desire. Anyway, I'll do what I know what I'll do. Ogon, come, let's go out. Hope you're not hot.
Papa, wait till to my stepmother. Eh? I've been up because my mama don't die. Eh? One day I go run for this house.
Mba,
rest.
Mba, you will not run. You will not run away from here. This is your house. Eh? It is well. Very soon, everything is going to be fine. Eh? Yes. Here the uncle, they're making it. Yes, my dear.
Mama, only me if you go that stream. Because if only me go, all those boys that will get at me beat.
Eh?
Yes.
Like one Maya or which boys? So my son cannot move freely in this village anymore because of some rascals that are troubling him. Eh?
Sometimes they go put my water to away. Or sometimes they go just let me say, make I drink their water, go give their mama. Eh?
And you have not told all this to myself and your father. Why?
They me say, if I tell on your phone, I say they go kill me.
Jesus. Hey! Can you imagine? Rascals! And your father is not around. Eh? What am I going to do? Okay, do you know what? Go back there and get jerry can. Get one for yourself and get one for me. We are going to that stream together to fetch that water. Okay. Let me see the person that will come and throw your water on the floor. Can you imagine? Eh? Rascals! Hurry up and bring the jerry can!
Child of destiny.
Good afternoon.
Why are you seated all alone in the forest? Can you help me locate my destination?
Yes.
I would like to sit down. I want to talk to you. What is your name?
Ududo.
I see. The spider.
Papa, what's your name?
Akere? Do you know Akere?
Yes. Mr. Toad.
No. Akere is the frog that escapes his enemies through his powerful long legs. Do you know why you are given the name Ududo?
No.
I will tell you. Ududo is a powerful creature that kills its enemy through his web. Once he lures you into his web, you'll be trapped forever. You can't escape it. You have the power to destroy your enemies, power given to you by the gods, but you choose to wallow in ignorance. You have the power to face and destroy your enemies. But I must warn you, you must leave where you are presently to somewhere else to avoid being drawn into bitterness. Give me your right hand. Aji! Receive the power to destroy your enemies.
Jesus Christ!
Why you dey shout like that?
I shout!
No. You cry. Na cry you cry.
Cry, quoi? I still have a dream at a dream.
Na dream. Now you wake up, they shout like person with snake bite for dream.
Mama will read this matter. Food don't set.
Food don't set. Huh? Who cook the food for you? You cook before you go sleep. I mean, now my mommy cook for you. Me wake up and chop. Huh?
Don't say food no day. I go live on.
Food day. Food day. My mommy cook food day. But she said if you don't go to the stream and fish water, you will not eat. And why are you looking at my biscuit?
But only me.
You and who want follow go? Eh? Who want follow you go? I won't follow you go stream, Abby. Why you dey look my biscuit like that? Even if you fall for ground, I will carry and chop. You no go see smoke. No enter your mouth. If you want to eat, go and fetch water before you eat.
Oh, one day, it got better for me.
You have the power to destroy your enemies, power given to you by the gods, but you choose to wallow in ignorance. But I must warn you, you must leave where you are presently to somewhere else to avoid being drawn into bitterness.
Beto, you do though. You get power to fight your enemy. I need to leave this house.
See, you know I won't live my life. Now to do anything please me.
No, come on.
I don't send anybody.
So that's why that. Why the parent? Let them hang back.
Hey! Hey, both of you come back here! I am talking to the both of you. Come here!
Madam, well done.
So you did not see me before when you passed, eh? You could not greet.
Hey, see wahala. Person go there, trouble they find am. Madam, what do you mean? Are you my father, baby? My mama will go they remind me of greeting.
Eh?
I be the governor wife. You be Queen Elizabeth.
Onurezo, eh? I can see the both of you are rude. But it's fine. I will let it slide for today. I will wait till one of you enter any of my traps.
Trap okwa? See, madam, if you tell me say you be hunter, see, make I tell you, now small thing they vex me, man, no lose my temper where you dey. Wait yourself.
See, madam, come and tell you, that threat, no try him again. No just threaten us. Ma tell you, see this mark. You see, man, if my head no correct. So don't just try threaten us again, no. Because if you do anyhow, this your pikin, eh? Now you must go tell you how far.
Stop you there. Eh? Let me just stop you there. Stop it! Are you mad? Let me warn you, eh? If you ever, I hear that you touch my boy, eh? You lay a finger on him, I will deal with the both of you mercilessly. Have you heard me? Don't you come close to my boy. Don't come close to my son. Have you heard me?
Guy, no, they waste
Nonsense. Shut up, my friend.
Leave them all, they go.
The fellow man they talk.
Carry on, let's go. Nonsense. No respect.
Go now.
Don't mind them. I will deal with you.
Don't be every talk.
Rubbish. Watch my boss.
Come here. Come here. Come. I'll kill you today. Shut this your mouth. This mouth. Shut. I'll kill you before your father knows it here.
Mommy, please, that's okay.
Where is that your mouth?
No, give me.
You have the power to destroy your enemies.
Eh? So you found mommy?
What happened?
I don't know. You pushed mommy.
Did anybody help him?
No, mommy. It's just him.
See my body.
What did you do? What?
Somebody help this boy. This boy pushed him down.
I know how they do this now because my mama don't die.
Would you shut up? So you have the gut to fight back at me? Eh? No. It's not only him.
Mommy, nobody. It's just him.
I know how they do this thing.
Hey.
And because my mama don't die.
Thank God you know your mama don't die. Because you are going to definitely die like her.
God forbid, Holy Ghost fire back to sender.
Amen.
Yes.
You say amen? Are you supporting him? Yeah. Withdraw it. Withdraw that talk. No.
Mommy, I didn't even know when I said it. Oh, yeah, say what you say. Let me take my amen back.
Say it. Say it.
I don't kill me. I don't fit me for this house.
Did I say I want to kill you? I said just say what you say. Let me take my amen back.
I need a talker.
Who helped this boy? Who helped this boy to push me down?
Mommy, it's only him now.
Come, not try that you want to do. Come back here.
Try nonsense here.
What you want to do?
No pity me, I beg you.
Shut up. Bring your bag.
Come, what's inside your bag?
Nothing. Not only my book.
Only your book.
Might see your bag.
My bag.
Come on, bring
bring
your
her.
bag. Search this bag.
Wait your hand. Read it. You know, sure nothing there. Yeah?
I can't believe
Chai!
Let him be that.
This boy sabi lie you. Come. What will be this? No money be this.
Hey, I don't know.
Try and be no. So would they like your mate, Abi? Why go tell us say nothing there inside this bag? Don't be money be this.
But my mama put the money for my bag then when I come back from school. So make I carry and buy salt and sugar.
Close your mouth.
Your mama tell you. So what you go tell your mama? Tell her and say the money lost as they come back. You hear what I talk?
Okay.
See,
Boy.
ma tell you. If you tell your mama say we thief your money, you see this your head. I go use Monday hammer, knock them together. You know what I tell you, ba?
Good boy. I begin go.
Yeah, so if you reach school now, if auntie tell you say A, you tell her B. If tell you C, you tell her D. You hear what I talk now? Read your book, yeah? Good boy.
Go.
I'm not gonna tell her.
Auntie tell you anything, you read your book.
Awesome.
You hear?
Awesome. Don't look back, oh. No go.
So I'm gonna tie this one.
Now that you have gotten your heart's desire, are you happy? Ulase, are you happy? Are you happy?
Leave me alone, no. Leave me alone. Let me rest in my house. Rapuma Akabiko, were you not here? Didn't you see when that boy pushed me down? Were you not here?
Oh, so it's like you don't even know what you have done. You don't know what you have done.
What did I do?
Wait, until if anything happens to my son, then you will know what you have done. Why do you hate such an innocent boy so much? What has he done? What has he done to you? What has he done to you?
Oh, you want to fight me?
What has he? What has he done to you?
Innocent child.
Why do you hate an innocent child so much?
Were you not here when he pushed me down? Didn't you see when he pushed me down?
Can can you listen to your lies? Eh? Why are you lying against this innocent child? So how can that small boy push an elephant like you down? Is it possible?
Papa.
Is it possible?
We're not there.
Hey, Papa, you were not there.
Taimo!
I wish you were there to see the way he pushed Mama and Mama fell down on the floor. Papa, you needed to be there.
You shut up your mouth. Simple sports others we are doing in school. You went there only to break your leg. It's like you have started lying like your mother.
Yeah.
But let nothing happen to my son. Oh.
Let
Let nothing happen to him. Look, Olasi, you better start looking for my son.
You see, Kaini here.
Otherwise, this house will not contain two of us.
Kaini here because
it will not.
Kaini here gonna do. Kaini here welcome. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's hear word.
Don't worry. You will not only hear word. You will hear the trumpet of spirits if my boy doesn't come back before nightfall. That's when you know the kind of person you are dealing with. It's all right. I ain't got who you're gonna hear it. I ain't got who you're gonna hear it. I ain't got who you're gonna hear it. It's all right.
Son.
It's all right.
Son, innocent son. Well, we shall see now. I'm waiting.
Mommy, is Udodo lost?
Don't mind that little devil. Only him knows where he went to. I'm waiting. In this house, I'm waiting now.
Every day trouble they wake up. Man pass man, come on, person now for you go every day trouble they wake up.
Hey! Come here now. The Come here.
Don't stand for here. Wait, this one shock me. You don't agree. See this boy, you. Wait. Are you stupid or foolish? Which one you be? You know they say they talk to you. You know they fear no dey your eye. Eh?
Come. What do you want from me? Man, I talk.
So this boy can talk. So you can talk and you pass us without even greeting. No cut sick. Can you imagine? Now, if you know they craze or you know they're mad, wait till you carry for this bag.
Come. What make you only waiting for this bag?
What be your name? What be your name? Tell us what be your name. What be your name?
My name na Ituto the spider.
May that spider kill you there.
Finish your life.
That spider go kill you, whether it be spider or cockroach. If you don't tell us what you carry for this bag now, what we go do you? This one the craze. This one will they talk with the. Make I rush am. Wait, now you dey fall like that. You be like you don't know. Yeah.
Oh, that the craze.
Hold on, so now me they use power.
This perfect not to stop my life.
That's not before.
For this place.
With too much power. No more fear. No more intimidation. Odoguna pempe. Ududo bulagua. So nobody begin.
But where is this boy? Where has he gone to? Where is this devil of a child? Does he want to put me and my husband in trouble in this house?
Mommy, do you want Dodo back to this house?
What are you saying? Didn't you hear my husband? You want him to kill me?
But mommy, you're the one always telling me, go away from my house, leave my house, or do you want to die here?
Olasi, you mean you are still in this house? And my son has not returned yet. You are here, in this house.
What do you want me to do now? Was I the one that pushed him away? Did I ask him to leave the house?
Ooh.
Olasi, you are still relaxing in this house.
By the time I come back, then you will know.
Go and come. Go come. I'm a no Japia. Go and come, I'm waiting. I'll get the door. Go and come. If they don't die today, they die tomorrow. Go and come, I'm waiting for you. Get door. Did I ask you to leave the house? I did not.
To go and look for me.
Look for who?
You have to go and look for me.
I believe that them. Let him lost them.
Run away from me. Run from me.
But we have to be fast. Your father will soon come back, eh? The food has to be ready on time. Eh?
Mama, see!
See what? Don't distract
See
me.
this boy now!
How are you?
See, I'm fine. Good afternoon. See,
Good afternoon.
I later you go fit out this place forever. Oh, yes, now. Say, our new brother. See, auntie, I won't tell you what the woman do for the house. Now she make me wrong. Come here.
What?
She won't kill me.
You mean she has been maltreating you in your father's house?
She won't kill me.
Hey!
She push me come up for house.
Child.
I got wrong. Come out.
Don't worry, eh? You're welcome to our house, eh? Our home is your home. Yes. We are one, eh? Yes. One big family, so feel free, eh? You're looking good, oh. Okay, I'm taking inside so you can keep his bag and relax, eh? I'm about to cook, so food will soon be ready. Eh? You're welcome. Okay, come back and help me, oh. Daddy, please, please.
Mazi.
What is the matter?
You're welcome. Ocheno, sit down.
Okay.
Sit down.
Mazi, what is the matter?
Mazugo, what is the problem that made you to be chasing your wife around with a cutlass?
Our youths. You know, they said that the stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. Yes, the child that says the mother will not sleep shall also not sleep. Yes.
Mazi, what is the matter? Did you want to kill your wife? We have brought her back to you.
And to beg you to forgive her of her crime.
Our youths, I didn't want to kill anybody. I only asked Olasi to go and bring back my son, whom she has driven away with my treatment. And I insisted that if she didn't bring him back, then she would not enter the house. That's all. Okay, her phone is vibrating. Oh. Yes. Hello. Mbata. You don't mean it. So, Otola down, I beg, eh? Hey! And you have been looking for him here. Really? So bad, to come and see him. Eh? So I'll be there tomorrow. Thank you very much. Thank you. Until I come now, it's all right. Yeah. That was my in-law. Okay. He says my son is already in their house. That's
a good news. Well, Mazi, yes. Now that we know where he is, we beg you to allow your wife to come back home.
It's all right. Who am I to say no to the plea of our youths? Oh no, I'm over Obodo Nkunu, so brother. Come with an uncle
thank you for honoring us. Yeah, we really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Let me get cola now.
Don't worry. No, don't worry. What you have done for us on this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's all right.
Maybe some other time.
I'm gonna call it.
Okay.
It's about them. Cardi.
Thank you.
Ngozika, my wife.
My husband.
You see, it beats my imagination why Olase will want to plan and execute evil against this small boy you do there, knowing full well that this boy is motherless.
My husband. That is how wickedness will push people's luck from them. She doesn't know what this boy is going to grow up to be in the future. Now she has succeeded in chasing him from his own father's house.
Okay. Now that the boy is living with us here now, let us see how she can come here and execute her evil plans against the boy.
My own happiness is that Nkem now has someone to play with. Someone to move around with, company.
Yes. That's very good.
My husband. Have you gone to see Mazi Gobike concerning his child harassing our son?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, my wife. I really went to see him. And when I got there, he told me, pump and plain, that the boy has grown past him. That the boy doesn't even listen to whatever he says.
Really?
Yeah. The worst part is that Mazi Webike told me that I'm not the only person who have come here to complain about the bad attitude of this very Ewita. And that some of the people who met him at home to complain about the boy, they were insulted now.
Yeah.
And some of them even were physically assaulted.
In Nokwa. What is this one supposed to mean?
I don't know.
Is it that the boy is now lawless in this village? What are they trying to say?
Well, the issue is that, you see, Anneke the bird says that since the hunter has learned to shoot without missing, that himself has equally learned to fly without perching. So what that means is that we will always accompany these our children to the stream and to the bush to fetch water and firewood respectively. That's what it means.
Husband, how long are we going to keep doing that?
Until the elders meet and then fix the problem of those bad boys. That's Ewita and his group. By the way, where are these boys?
I don't even know.
You don't know?
I hope they have not gone to the stream. Nkem Akonam! Yudi!
Ududo!
Yudi! Nkem! Yudi! Chinekeme, my husband. These boys are not in the house. And the jerrycans are not here.
That means they have gone to the stream now.
Hey!
Please, come and run along and go and accompany them. You have to accompany them.
I am going there now. Hey! Nkem!
Be careful, oh.
My husband, I'm coming. Ududo! Hey!
Take it easy, oh.
I steal. I know it's Hey, I can't see it. Oh! This is what this boy is not there again. Now what's happening? I tell you, favor, they follow us. Anywhere we go, favor follow us. You could right to I know all those times there. Don't come here, harass me. The Tabi police, no, village boys there. We call it harass people for you. The lawyer say it's don't land. Now make the run. Jesus!
Stop there.
No, what's happened? You don't hear them?
Which kind of question be that one? Eh?
Come, Nkem. Where you for see this small ants carry and walker come? Eh? Come. I don't see this ant before with Agada.
This one?
I don't see this guy before with Agada.
This one, no, my cousin brother. Where you gonna follow me the stay?
Your cousin brother? Okay. And I go see what we go do now with this in our water now. I go see her now. Just dey watch what we go do now with this in our water now.
Younger they sleep, every day trouble they wake up. Man pass man, come on person now for you go banya. Younger they sleep, every day trouble they wake up. Man pass man, come on person now for you go banya. Younger they sleep, every day trouble they wake up. Man pass man, come on person now for you go banya. Younger they sleep, every day trouble they wake up. Man pass man, come on person now for you go banya. Man proposes, but God disposes. So no come to pass yourself. The more you look
Toto, when I feel like I'm telling someone carry water, oh, don't suffer catch. Yes. Go in the house. You no go walk. I be picking for this village. Gidi, that's my smell. If you don't mind your mouth, they go beat you. I said it. We better not say nothing for us. When I walk, we carry our water. Go in the house.
Come. You this small fly. You know they fear our face.
You get face? You get face? Which face you get for this village?
Come, you know who they talk to?
Before?
You dey na the Kolo.
Aya, na two kneel down. Come on, kneel down, also.
Okay. No, si no traiamo. Nkem no traiamo.
Come on, kneel down, also.
Abi bitisha?
Oh, kulikiri tale.
Si no traiamo. Nkem, wait make you cry. Where's the cry?
Come, Yudi. Now us they talk to like this.
Before?
You no get respect, Yudi. Agom. Oh, carry this hand, same time, side. Why the phone now?
I don't know. Something push me.
Which one?
What no? So we not be to be.
Come on, do this to be. Agom, no tell me say na this boy they do this thing.
No, boss.
Aya.
Oh no.
What is happening? What's that happen now?
Mama.
What happened now?
Mama, you na Superman? Yes. Yes, so. Mama, I think my papa about those boys them. When cousin. You don't see it? You don't beat them. Yes.
How? How did you do it?
I think I tell you. See, we pity them for you. This guy safe.
It's a lie. Are you serious?
Hey, Mama, see, they run.
Yudi!
They run.
You beat those boys.
I see, Mama, see. You did beat them. I call the blood of them. Fish.
Hey! So you are strong like that?
I'm strong.
Do you know what? I am going to make both of you a special meal today. You beat those boys.
See them and they run, they go.
Hey!
They go.
Yudi! My strong boy.
By the time I finish with that foolish boy, will never amount to anything. He wants to share inheritance. He will never get it. And he will never go to school like my daughter in this house. As far as I live in this house as wife to Ogro, he will never amount to anything.
Mommy. Oh, yeah, mommy.
My princess.
Mommy, good afternoon.
My sunshine.
Yes, mommy.
No, mom.
Mommy.
Mom. You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, mommy.
So how was school today?
Very well. Mommy, today we studied English language, geography, and biology.
What about mathematics?
Oh, mommy, it's subject for tomorrow.
Okay. My princess, you see today, I made a very wonderful meal for today.
Mommy, thank you
and
so
I'm going
much.
to feed you by my own hand.
Mommy, you're spoiling me.
You're my only daughter now. My princess.
Mommy, you're the best. The best in the world. My joy giver. The only woman that can put so much smile on my Mommy.
Let's go.
See, mommy, when I graduate, you can't imagine what I'll do for you. Mommy, I swear, I will spoil you the way you're spoiling me now. Mommy, don't worry. Just pray for me. Let me graduate. My sweet mommy. That is my mommy.
Let's go, John.
Yes, sweet mother.
You been there do anyhow. That's not before. Who do the landy with it too much power? No more fear. No more intimidation.
Very, very nice for you.
My
husband. Uncle, good afternoon. Uncle, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
I hope there was no problem.
Papa, problem be there. But you did not settle this problem.
So what happened?
My husband, I heard that UD taught those rascals a very big lesson today. Even as I was getting to the venue, they were running up and down, running.
Really?
I'm telling you.
Papa, as you did beat them, they might come put my hand. I got to blow them.
I go. So how did you do it?
My husband let us go home so they can give us the full gist. We need to hear everything.
Well, if you say so, my dear. You people have to go home. When I come back, I see you. Let me go and get some palm front rope for my yams.
Okay.
Let me help you.
Thank you. Papa. Thank you.
They can go.
Ogro, have you seen it? Have you seen it? I'm looking for my gold earrings.
If you're looking for your gold earrings, am I the one that took them?
You are not the one that took it, but you're not the one that did it.
How do you mean by I know the one that did it?
See, Ogro, you know that is your Ikperima's son that took my earrings. Go and tell him to bring back my earrings. So.
Wait, have you asked Ugoma about these earrings?
I don't need to ask her. Go and tell yourself to bring back my earrings.
Okay, wait. When Ugo comes back from school, you ask her so that you can be sure before concluding that it was Ududo.
It's your Ududo, it's your Ekperima son that took my earrings. That's your devil child that your dead wife gave birth before she died.
Now,
that was him.
Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight before...
Onya, let me tell you, see, if those earrings are not out, you will not know peace in this house. I promise you.
I will not know peace.
You will not know peace.
In my own house?
Yes.
Wait, why are you running?
You will not know peace. You will not know peace, oh. You will see it. You will see it. You see those earrings. You will not know peace in this house. You will not know peace, oh.
Why not wait for me? May 10 thunders from Hiroshima and Nagasaki break your head. Look at her making senseless arguments. It's all right.
Hi. Una dey fuck up. Ewi, you mean say those small boys snap you woto? They mess you up like say you don't get value. Even you Agom, they fuck you up like say you be newborn baby. Who you? A good yesterday here, they form leadership. They claim say they game.
Shut up! Wetin dey work you now? If dem are wetin dey work you now, you want make I change am for you?
Aye, we abeg, no verse. The thing come out from my mouth. I don't know when they come out. Ompa, chochoi, onye brave go. Abeg, they coming down. Abeg, no verse. More love, less ego.
Give it human for air is divine.
More love, less ego.
Don't do.
Make it laugh. Now you know. What's that? I the mama did the way they beat that boy that day. Chef, I get small potty, but I get power. You where the girl is power from? I bet you just attack me only small, so that go that they fight them. Ma tell you, I don't come. No leave, no transfer. Thank you, brother. I will go for a good job. Yeah.
At least he don't beg now. Don't beg now, so I beg. Move to concentrate on waiting the face us now. Not be all these things we talk plenty for here. We just face how to deal with that boy. No, nothing in my mind. Not be all these things we just they talk plenty.
Oga Goma, I know you like this kind of thing. Which kind talk be this one now? Which kind meeting be this?
Why you they shout now?
Wait, we sit down here. We just stay here like this. They talk do meeting for those small chickly rats. Those animals. I know you like him. I not forget that we be the boys so they run this village with the Igwe. See, make I tell you now, as it be like this, I have mobilized myself as the officer. I go deal with those boys. Yes! What kind of nonsense be this one?
Because say these boys don't do this thing to my way, I go scrutinize them. Yes. I go chop them. I go tear them. That's the spirit.
Agada.
That's the spirit.
You don't talk well. Now better talk, you talk so. I don't give you the contract. Tomorrow give us feedback.
That's all now. They could have stopped this thing when they do. Like this, I'm in immediate action. As I they go now to devour. I'm in the mood.
Oh yeah?
What's the meaning of this? Hey, Agada!
Agada the man.
Agada!
I feel like it's nice, This game there, man. If any of those boys are mumu, we could take they wipe them like this, you not clear. I live from now. See, if any of them do mumu, they go here we. So no. Also not a bitch like you. Yes, now not a bitch like you from them. I bring the rest of go fit I am. Go carry on. You are taking you not catch me. Oh yeah. Oh man, I no go catch you.
Hey, small boy.
You fear me, oh?
Now let you fear.
What me you go jump over back like that?
The both of una, now una they follow me.
Follow you go where?
See, make I tell una. They tell me say make I come carry una come.
My front oh. When you be like come command to us, they will follow you.
Hey, come. The both of you. See, I know they follow now they play. I know they laugh. See, I not be Agoma and Ewita when I used to do that caricature that day. See, the both of una, if I enter una like German machine, make una respectfully come. Make una come follow me.
Wait oh, abi you drink kai or you smoke? Where I had the touch. See, don't try am.
Na me, they talk like that. Get Jesus. Hey, so you get power. You get Jesus. Hey. I beg. Mommy, Jesus, mommy, God, it's not there for my body, Jesus. Hey, just see that.
Go bring it. No, nobody come. I beg. Hey.
Mommy,
hey. Well, wow. Everything they keep Agada since. I tell Banai for don't bring this boy come. I don't tire.
If he be saying never see the boys.
Some say never see the boys. But now they make mouth for here now. Now the boss say if you go there, what you go do the boy? Yeah, you carry and come. You go do and this, go do and that. He's in charge. I say by now, for long they deal with the boy already.
See, mo try to get patient for anything they do. Mo wait small to see when this guy go take come. No forget say that boy no be small snake.
But we know what to tell Agada now. You know, no, I don't know see the boy no be small snake. When you say they in charge, they in charge. You want? Yeah, because let me come on note to do. I go maybe.
But wait, so see, if you look this thing well, I gather for no go this operation only am. If you don't carry one force join body, if you don't carry one person join body in case of incasity.
And I true, but we tell her you know one here. So we then the talks now in in charge. In charge.
Hello. Yes, it's me. What of Ududo?
He is not at home now. He went to the stream with his cousin to fetch water.
What of Mbata, your husband?
My husband went to the farm. My in-law, this one you are calling me, I hope there is no problem.
Is there anything wrong in an in-law calling another in-law?
Mbano, I'm not saying it is bad. How are your people over there? I hope everybody is fine.
No wahala. We are fine. I wanted to speak with Ududo.
When he comes back, I will call you. I hope that is okay.
It's all right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, oh. Can you charm everybody?
I hope he's coming back with my jewelries.
I didn't speak with him. Ngozika said she would call me back when Ududo returns.
May God help him. Let him come back with my earrings. Else, I'll go to that house and I'll deal with him mercilessly.
Hey, Ojono enye goal. He's a goal. Oh no.
We shall see now.
He's a goal. Oh no.
We shall see now.
Ojono enye goal.
We shall see now.
If anybody touch you for this village, tell me, I'll tell you from. Okay? Mama, see, you to take flop like that boy for you. He's strong, no worry now. You got tell your friend. Waiting for this seat today. Yes, sir. You know, go fetch your water. What's this? Look at that girl. You go fetch your water before they look for us. Look around here. Look at the now. You don't know yourself.
Yeah, Ngozika.
My husband.
Where did you say these children went to?
My husband. They went to the stream to fetch water.
And they are not yet back from there.
I'm beginning to get worried too. It's possible they went to swim.
Then I should go and look for them.
My husband, you don't need to worry. They are fine.
You seem to have forgotten about those bad boys.
Okay. But our boys are capable. Unless there are plenty against them. They are capable.
I think that's the more reason why I should go and look for them.
Okay, my husband, no problem.
You should say this Agada never follow these guys them enter stream to go fetch water for them.
Natayao, I weak.
Because I dey get this feeling say those boys don't beat Agada well. If not, Agada don't suppose come out here by now.
I weak.
Not true.
How you dey talk like this?
That's why they feel. Now make her dey talk.
How you dey underrate Agada like this? Agada bachiruzo. Gaga noku.
Agada wey be say as he gallant na so he reach. How you go talk say those small boys go beat am? See, make I tell you something una no know. You see as Agada be, even if he dey sick, even if one leg dey pain am, he go use the second leg kick the boys throw away.
Oboko, calm down. You don't know these boys what they talk about. Oboko, very soon you go use your eye see. You go use your ear here.
Hear wetin?
That no call the one push here, but on the mukwe mire.
Agada go match them like this. They go enter ground.
Oboko, calm down with those boys,
Small boy wey go match like this everywhere go still.
God. Oh. I beg shift. I don't die.
Wait.
I don't die. Hey, I don't die.
What happened?
Agada,
Those boys.
now who do you like this?
Those boys beat my God.
Oh yeah, now.
Come on for my head.
Come. Now who na talk say these boys be safe?
You never know now. Command Conan's cousin. Very small, short thing. One purushi. Very that's what he did. But if this boy handle you, you are gone.
No, if that boy touch you, that boy use me play.
How you do you?
You know, say I've been telling you this thing before. Me and Agom been telling this thing before, you no believe. But now you don't see with your eyes now.
Sorry.
See,
You go try.
it's time to plan for these guys. And how to do it? You don't too much for them now. But before then, we'll carry good medicine shop, make you go treat your wound.
Those boys are not human beings. Those boys not be human beings. Help me.
They knock you for God. They feeling good. How they do you?
They use me to football. That one carry cane.
Let me go and oh, here they are. Easy. Oh, wow.
Uncle and Auntie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my children.
Good afternoon.
Where are you both coming from? Why did you take so long at the stream?
See, Mama and Papa, I want to tell you what happened for road. Akada and his friend. Yes. Go they attack us for road. Now so we beat them like loi.
Really?
Yes, now. And those one, if they see us for them, they go wrong. They not go take eye they see us again. Yes. Now so.
That's my boys. Ngozika.
My husband.
You see, today you are going to cook them very nice food which befit brave boys like them.
It's my husband.
Papa, thank God say income. Yes. Thank God say income too. Yes.
Amen.
Amen.
My boys, two of you should go inside and change your clothes. Come and join me in the kitchen.
Hey.
Our brave boys.
What is wrong with you this woman? When you are
It is you and that your tiffin son that are wrong with me. See, go to that village and ask him to bring back my earrings. That is all.
Listen to me. You cannot be too sure that what you are looking for is with Ududo. I called his auntie yesterday and he was not there to speak with me.
You see?
You see what? What do I see?
He just merely went to that village and he has already started jumping pium. Oh no, shit.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Okay, leave my way. Let me go and ask Ududo if your earrings are with him.
I will go with you before you go there to play wayo with that your tiffin son. I will go with you.
Leave my way. Look at this woman, Bikono. Do this too. How are you? Yes. Thank you so much. Hey. Ogro. Ko Hamatan. the great hunter.
You're welcome, great-in-law to my wife.
Thank you so much.
But I greet you. Because how do you do?
We are fine, no. This is indeed a surprise visit. I hope we are safe.
How can you be safe when you are harboring dangerous thief in your house?
Ha! Hey! Olase Kutos.
What is it? Is it not why we are here to catch him? Is it not?
Catch who? Which thief is in my house?
That small little thing standing beside you there.
Hey. Gata, don't mind Ekutos. My son is not a thief. He's not. I cannot be.
Ogoro, please, let's go and have a seat so that I can offer you kola nut before we have the time for women's babbling. Ngozi, please get me kola nut.
Cool.
And let's sit down. Let's calm down. Everything that goes up must come down.
Let it come down now.
Hey, they touch me. Hey, this person, this boy will beat you like this. He must be a giant too.
Not be giant oh. This boy no be giant. This boy I tell you, him and Enken are the same height. What did they make you they laugh? What did they funny? What did they sweet you?
Hey, wait oh. You mean say na boy wey dey small like him came, na him beat you? Beat her with a bit of gum? Ta! Who the zuzu? Who born monkey?
Na him mama born am.
Ta! Una fall my hand. Una pour me for ground woto. See, make I tell you. You see me where you dey see so. If that kind person beats me, I go pack my load comot from this village. Where he dey?
I don't really know where them dey, but I dey feel say them go dey their house. But soon, then go pass this pathway, go that stream, go fetch water.
They go soon pass here. I go there for here, wait for them.
You go do am.
I go there for here, wait for them. You see here, I go there here, I go tear them. In fact, they go wish say now them disgrace you like this. Disgrace my guys. I go mess them up with porosely.
Now so I tell they talk. But when these boys gather me, or more they shimmy them, beat me. It be like say that 3 people enter me. It be like talk, they enter me. I hear that from my body. You know they see my face.
Pa, beg shift. Guy, come out there, you forehand. See, me Opoko, I go show them, say, now we dey run things for here. I go show them, say, now we dey control this vicinity. Guy, no worry, make we dey go.
Wait, you know they wait for them again.
Now you want tell me how I want take trap my animal?
No, I want see how these boys go take see you. Because as you yellow, so they go beat you black. Now they go beat you.
Ah, poggy there. Clear road for there. See, make I tell you something. Na me be Opoko. Guy, they fucking up like fufu, but no be me. By the time when I finish with them, you go to hear the story go dey flow, everybody go to hear them. Tell me, make we go bet how much you want put to make I take fuck them all.
Oboka, I dey pity for you. Oboka, as I dey see you, I dey see green. Oboka, you go lose your money, you go lose them, Sarah.
Guy, now how much you want put? You don't hear money now, your heart they cut. I say now how much you want put to.
Oboko, tell me how much I go put. Now, you go see the money. 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira.
I dey tell you.
Don't worry, I go pay you. But if them beat you, how much you go pay me?
Ta! Make I die. If they beat me, make ground open, swallow me. Me, those small boys, they go beat me. Guy, if they beat me, I give you 5,000.
You give 5,000?
I dey tell you.
I beg, make we bet. Make we bet.
You want bet?
Make we bet.
How much?
You go 1,000, 5,000.
1,000, 5,000. 1,000, 5,000.
Don't go wound my hand though.
They come. Pa! Say be you. See, I'm shey. See, now wetin make they beat you be
this. You dey clear mind.
Now wetin make they beat you be this. You don't get mind. Your mind dey cut.
Yes, so.
Your liver no strong. Oh. Now me una dey show you dance step.
Yes.
Me wey don dey play dance step for this village since wey dey born us. They run things, they control the area. Una wan come dey show me new dance step. I am gonna go down there now before I deal with una. Such a